invisible sauce. That's that love energy sauce. What's up, guys? Another day up in the kitchen. Oh yeah. Today we're making us some pizza. Protein pizza stacked with a gang of protein so we can reach our fitness goals. You already know. We're gonna keep this nice and simple and quick. Because don't nobody wanna be in the kitchen all day. But we still wanna eat what we wanna eat. But we also wanna be in shape. We want all three of them things. So let's just get to it. Let's start off with 220 grams of some warm water. Okay, now that we got our 220 grams of water, let's get some yeast up in there. Just some of that fast acting yeast. I'm just gonna put the whole thing in. Next thing we want to add is 300 grams of egg whites. So let's get 300 grams. We'll get us a serving of some of this good old fat-free cottage cheese. We're going to crack open the egg. Now we're about to get some almond flour. Right now it should be real liquidy. So we're about to put us 30 grams of almond flour up in here. Now that's some xanthan gum. Let's put 3 grams of this. Got us some baking soda. Let's put 4 grams of this. Get one of the most important ingredients, protein. Let's get some sweetener up in that thing. Oh yeah. Taste. Yeah, there's some pizza tonight. Let's get it. Mix it all up in there. Mix this real good. Chop up the onion. Now, let's chop us up a tomato. First thing I want to do is spray this. Get any type of 0-calorie spray. Just some cooking spray, coconut oil, some olive oil, virgin oil, whatever oil. So now we have our mixture. Pour it on in. Just a little more bouillon. dash of nut, and that's that. And we'll be right back. Check this base out. And here go our pizza base right here. There you go. Start off with some sauce. Dripping with the sauce. Top your pizza any order, any way you want. That's your pizza. Let's top this. Next, tomato time. Next, we got some Tyson chicken. It's around 2.5 servings, so around 225 calories, about 50 grams of protein right up in here. Yes. We got to drain the chicken and then put it on. Now it's cheese time. I'm only gonna put 2 slices. Now mix the yellow with the Swiss. I have to use this little metal thing, my little metal. Now cut it into 9 squares. And I just drop it around evenly. Season this thing. And the last invisible sauce. That's that love energy sauce. Okay. Let's put this baby in the oven. I'm ready to eat. 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the oven. I got it on 400. So we're probably going 15 to 20 so that even the crust can still bake up small. Just get it all just nice and. There we go. We got our chicken pizza with crazy macros. You're going to cut, reach your protein, and health goals for sure. Eating this bad boy. So yes, we're rocking with 965 calories, 147 grams protein, 30 carbs, 27 fat. Come on. You're gonna reach your goals with this. And we're gonna come with a whole lot of different ones. Grated cheese, sliced, all type of pizzas. We coming with it. This how it is. I'm about to eat this whole thing up with some blackberry and protein ice cream. And you already know what it is. Together, we can do anything.